Let's talk about Kolb's cycle. In a non-formal setting, we cannot even start to think about the learning process without getting to know a little bit more about Kolb. David Alan Kolb is the one who, together with other experts of his time, developed the experiential learning model, which is the basis of non-formal education. The model is designed to create a complete learning experience that addresses all 4 learning styles. The model, or the cycle, includes 4 stages. First, experiencing, reflecting, thinking, and acting. Experiencing, which is the concrete experience, means learning begins when a learner uses senses and perceptions to engage in what is happening now. The reflecting process, or the reflexive observation, after the experience, a learner reflects on what happened and connects feelings with ideas about the experience. Thinking, or abstract conceptualization. The learner engages in thinking to reach conclusions and form theories, concepts, or general principles that can be tested. Acting, or active experimentation. The learner tests the theory and applies what was learned to get feedback and create the next experience. How does this work in practice? Let's say you want to learn to juggle with 3 balls. We know you won't be able to juggle without getting the balls in your hands and starting to throw them in the air. This is the concrete experience. The first experience will probably be short and end up with the balls on the floor all over the room. Through reflective observation, you will be able to note if you are a little too agitated and rushed, if your throw was too strong or too weak, and if the 3 balls were too much to concentrate on at once. Then comes the abstract conceptualization. When you conclude, I should try to stay calm so I won't rush. My throws need to be equal in strength and direction. And it's better to start learning to juggle with only 2 balls. The active experimentation is just that. Knowing a little more than before, we get to put into practice our thinking by trying it again. This time, we use the experience and conclusions, and the time we learn more and more. We go through this process with anything that we are learning, whether it's a concrete skill like juggling, or maybe something more complex like project management.